Good morning, everybody. It's Chris.
And Joan.
From Chris and Joan's Travels. Hey, this is our day 4 blog from Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic. We had a great time there. We got in. Well, the day started as normal. I got up, I ran. We had breakfast in the. Where did we eat yesterday? We ate in the buffet. We had breakfast in the buffet. And then the ship pulled in, we went down, we got pictures on the pier.
We did our pier pictures.
We did our pier pictures, which was always fun to do. And then we took a walk over to the shore excursion. And I think what we did, what was the name of it? It was...
Tango Bay.
We were in Tango Bay, but it was actually called, the excursion was Sun, Sand, and Shopping. So we did an NCL excursion, and it took us from Tango Bay over to what they call Central Park. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. I'll write it down when it'll be underneath. There's a picture. You can say it. I'm not even going to try. And then we took a nice little walk over to Cathedral San Felipe Apostle. And we got to spend 10 minutes in the church taking pictures. We took lots of pictures of that. That was actually kind of nice. And then we went over to a cigar factory museum. I got to smoke they gave me a free cigar.
They sat down and they gave everyone who wanted one a cigar. And
so I had a free Dominican Republican cigar.
And they showed us how they rolled the cigars.
Yeah, that was kind of fun.
And one of the people got to roll. So Donna got to roll the cigar. So they got to roll the cigar.
They showed us how they make a cigar from start to finish, and then you walk through a little museum, and then we got walked over to a chocolate and coffee house, and they talked about how they do the coffee beans and the chocolate, and how they go through the process of making the chocolate and the coffee beans and the coffee and chocolate.
First we went to the Amber Museum.
Oh, that's right. We went to the Amber Museum.
The cigar and Amber Museum. So that they showed us their stones, their amber and stuff like that. And wanted you to buy. Someone buys here.
Somebody, you wearing it?
No, I had to take it off. Because we're going on an excursion. I'll show you my picture of my ring.
So then...
and then we went to the chocolate factory down in Umbrella Street. Yep,
and then we walked through Umbrella Street. We got some time to walk around. We had like 45 minutes. We walked around Umbrella Street, Pink Street. And then they took us to the Costa Rica Beach.
Costa Rica Beach.
And then we had about an hour and 20 minutes there. And then we got to ride back to the port. We walked around the port area. The port area is very nice. We didn't even need to do an excursion.
Yeah,
we could have hung out there and had just a good time.
Yeah, the port area, you don't need to do an excursion. It has its own pool area.
Well, Lazy River.
No, it had a
it had a pool too.
That's right, we didn't realize that until after. It had its own pool, a big pool, and then pool bars around it, and then restaurants around, shops around, and then they had a lazy river. So a lot of people said that's what they just did. So that so if you ever come, we might come again. We've got to probably just do that instead of doing.
Don't need to go and just go walk around on our own and go do that.
Really nice.
And then we got back on the ship, and I was hungry. Okay. After we were rudely interrupted by the cruise director and had to stop filming for a second. So after we got back on board, we went up to O'Sheens and had a quick bite to eat because I was starving. Just had me a Coney Island hot dog. That was good.
I had a cheeseburger, so it's good.
And then we did a thing in the spa. We just went and hung out in the spa for a couple hours till 5.
It's relaxing.
And then we went and got cleaned up and then we had a 6:30 reservation at La Casina. So we got a couple pictures. We actually dressed up yesterday and got a nice picture. And then we went to La Casina. What did you have?
What did I have? I had the
lasagna. And you had some kind of
polo chicken. And I had the polo chicken. So it was good, and I actually ate it. And it was good, and then I had the cheesecake tour something.
She had the cheesecake, that was good. And I had the cannoli for dinner, and that was very good.
Dessert.
For dessert. And then after that, we Went to the adult comedy club and saw Mike Jones, and we got to meet him at the end. That was nice. He was pretty funny.
He's a good comedian.
So not really raunchy, which it was funny. It was without being raunchy. So I really enjoyed that one. And then I went and gambled. Had another night of playing craps. And then after that, we went to O'Sheens and had a dessert. I had needed some vanilla ice cream, so we had some ice cream and cake and pie.
And I had the brownie cheesecake.
She had a brownie cheesecake. She had lots of cheesecake yesterday. And then after that, we decided we'd mosey up to.
We met a nice couple.
Oh yeah.
From Boston.
From
Derek,
Massachusetts. South Boston. She's not really from Boston.
Hi guys. So it was Derek and I want to say Larry. Now I forgot her name. I'm sorry, but she doesn't want to know her name anyway. So
she's got a.
She's assumed.
She's under an assumed
identity
name.
So we saw them and had talked to them. A really nice couple. So we enjoyed and their
that was
family.
really good.
The daughter was beautiful. So yeah, it was really fun. That's what we like to do. We just like meeting people and chatting, and that's what cruise life is.
Yeah, we found out a lot in common. That was probably the best part.
It was nice.
And then we were bored. We walked around the ship and stumbled on the 70s party and hung out there for a little while. So that would yesterday was a very good day, I think. And then the next day, day 5 is going to be Tortello, and we're running late for that. So this is Chris.
And Joan.
Chris and Joan's
Travels. Hope you like this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment below. Let us know what you think. And keep watching us for future videos and vlogs.
Please subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.
Everyone, bye.